If ASI asks for any further details, we will furnish them, he added.
It's very saddening, Sarki. It's very painful that how the courts are just either delaying or finding loopholes in technicalities to let the illegal bungalow to continue to be there. But how long will this go on? And today I heard that the High Court has quashed the judgment given by the Assistant Director General for Archaeological Survey of India with respect to that old war structure which is known and proved have to be illegal by all documentation, by all processes, by all natural justification. But yet the courts are trying to find the smallest loopholes to let the structure continue over there.
Squashing the order of the Supreme Court in directing director of ASI ताणी ऑर्डर काडिल्ली की ते इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर जे वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायटान आसा तें डिमॉलिश जावपाचें म्हणून तें ऑर्डर स्क्वॉश केल्ली आसा हायकोर्टान एंड आय फील दीस इज आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड दीस इज टोटली शॉकिंग. सो आमी हेरिटेज वाचोवपाक सोदता काय कोणाक वाचोवपाक सोदता एंड वॉट इज दीस कंपल्शन ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द हायकोर्ट टू पास दीस ऑर्डर revoking the order of the Archaeological Survey of India which called for demolition in August 2022. This is totally shocking. आमी इतले एजिटेट करत आसा थंय लोकांचे फूल पिपल्स मुवमेंट आशिल्लो तो तें स्ट्रक्चर इल्लिगल कारण युनेस्कोचे लिस्टेड वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायटान 1 किलोमिटरच्या फुडें सुद्दां कांय स्ट्रक्चर जावपाक जायना. This is within the buffer zone. This is violating all heritage norms, buffer zone, violating UNESCO's rules of World Heritage, plus it is violating ASI rules pertaining to the state and pertaining to the center, Archaeological Survey of India. That site is under Archaeological Survey of India, which is the central body. So हे सगळे violate करून फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तांकां तेन्नाच्या TCP डिपार्टमेंटान इलिगली सगळी परमिशनां तांकां मेळिल्लीं बिकॉज देर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल क्लाउड द पर्सन वॉज एन्जॉयींग, दॅट पर्सन वॉज एन्जॉयींग. So now this is more shocking where the High Court is squashing the order given by Supreme Court in the light of the direction of Director of Archaeological Survey of India.
Clinton D'Souza, Prasad Polji for Herald TV.